Great day everyone. Today, I will show you a walkthrough of the updated process in applying for a certificate of non-coverage in the CNC Online System. This video is part 2 of the CNC Online application process. If you haven't watched the part 1 of the tutorial, you may click the link provided in the description below. Let's start. This video will show you how to upload the bank receipt and other supporting documents of your CNC application. The list of requirements are shown in the screen. Make sure everything is prepared in PDF format. To access the CNC Online System, open Google and type in the search box CNC Online Application. In the search result, click the first item, EMB CNC Online Application System. You will be directed to the CNC Online System. After you open the CNC Online System, you will be given two options. In the part 1 of this video, we clicked the first option. For this tutorial, we are going to select Update Payment or Track Status of your CNC application. On the next page, you will be asked to provide the application reference number and project location. You can find this in the sworn statement sent to your email. Open the sworn statement and copy the application reference number highlighted in bold text in item A. Then, paste this in the text box in the CNC Online. Next, select in the drop-down menu the region where your project is located. Then, click the Load Application button to proceed. On the next page, a pop-up message will be loaded informing you that your application needs uploading of the required supporting documents. It also reminds you to download and read the evaluation report for reference. Click the Close button of the pop-up message to proceed. Review the information displayed on the screen to ensure that you are accessing the correct CNC application. Click the link for evaluation report. You will see in the evaluation the different requirements that you need to comply. Those tagged as No in the compliant column are the requirements that you need to provide. The remarks in the last column provide details on how you can comply these requirements. Next, in the CNC Online, click the link for the order of payment. This document provides you with the details on how you may pay the application fee of 1,240 pesos. You may pay the application fee at any Land Bank branch nationwide or through the online payment system of Land Bank. Next, you may now start uploading the supporting documents of your application based on the evaluation report provided online. Simply, click the Choose File button, then locate the file you need to attach. You will be notified if the file is successfully uploaded. Attach all the required documents. Then, in the payment information, provide the required information which you can find in the on-call payment slip of Land Bank or your online payment receipt. Before you click the Submit Document for Screening button, make sure to read the acknowledgement clause. When you are done, don't forget to review all the information in your application and then click the Submit button. You will be prompted that your application was successfully submitted for screening by EMB Regional Office having jurisdiction over the project. You can track your application using the application reference number. Thank you for watching this video. For more video tutorials, you may check out other videos in my YouTube channel.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, and hit the notification button to keep you updated of my future videos. Thank you.